today to do a special unboxing. I've been pushing around a golf cart with my bag attached to it for, I don't know, a month or so, maybe a bit longer. And it's helped a lot. My back has felt a lot better. And yeah, well, I see all these carts out there, and I always wanted one, so I decided to go ahead and get one. Here we go. So we have instructions. I guess I'll follow these. Get the main frame, looks like the rear axle, 2 adjustable water bottle holders, and 2 tires. Really like this color orange. I'm a big fan of orange. This is going to be pretty awesome. Gonna have to make sure to maintain it, because I've heard a lot of people losing parts. Well, I'm gonna assemble this thing, and let's see how that goes. So when I bought the cart, I decided that I'm going to get the seat cover because it gets really hot here in the summer. Anywhere up to 110, 120 degrees, and my butt don't want that. The handle also is metal, so I got the grip. I got these from Sabatis, discgolf.com. So here we go. We're going to install this and see how it goes this time. All right, and now for the grip. This has words on it. They're very small, and I can't find my glasses, so I'll give it a shot. Before attempting to install your new grip, please watch the instructional video. I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. The video says you just push it on, and that's it. That's on there. All right, so here we go. It's time to put the bag in, and we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna take off all this extra stuff, and here goes nothing. So yeah, I wasn't too sure about these water bottle holders being able to, on the bag being able to be used. That does fit, but I won't get a second one in there. There's no way. So it actually fits pretty well, I think. Except for the fact that I can't get a second water bottle in here, and I lose this pocket, kind of. You know, the stories I've heard about these water bottles on the back, they're plastic, they're kind of flimsy, and these bottles are
pretty big.
I guess all I can do is give them a shot. All right, so that's it for the unboxing video. I can't wait to use this cart. I'll probably use it tomorrow. And I'll let you know how it goes. Well, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to get notified of any future videos. Follow me on Instagram. I also have a Facebook page. Jimbo DG on both of those. Chewy decided that this video needed to end it just like that. You guys have a great day. See ya.